Okay, let's go through some simple usage of the TekTouchPad utility. First, you'll need a PC, you'll need a TekTouchPad, you'll need the software, which you can download from our website, and you'll need a 4-part cable to connect the TekTouchPad to your PC. That cable is a USB to DB9, a Null modem adapter, a TekTouchPad cable, and a 12-volt power supply that connects to the TekTouchPad cable. Once you have that assembled, plug it in, hook up your TekTouchPad. And when your TekTouchPad is online, let's find out what COM port is on so we can make sure we're talking to the right device. We'll just go to Device Manager and look for ports. Oh. Prolific, there it is, COM3. Let's open the TouchPad Configuration utility. It loads your last open project. This is just a standard classroom here. We got display control here, and we got our sources here. Over here, we have a whole bunch of C functions. Up here, let's confirm that's looking at the right COM port, COM3, baud rate 9600. That's all good. Let's hit get version and make sure we have a good connection. All right. And for this example, let's get rid of the document camera button and the Blu-ray. So let's just go to clear, and you'd have to do the same for all of this and then hit save. I already have this project saved, so let's just go and open it. A lot easier just to do that. Oh yeah. And then if you're using a new computer, you should also make sure that you go to get updates and get all the files you'll need for loading a touchpad. It's a lot of words there. All right, let's hit send config, splash screen. If it's already the same logo that you want on the touchpad, you can take this off and it'll load considerably faster. And the configuration data, you got to make sure that's on there. Let's hit OK. Takes roughly 30 seconds to load. See your screen go black, then it'll come back on a few times, kind of cycling, and then be good. If you want to add a new source or something like that, you would click this. Let's say we're going to add in Apple TV. Go there. I don't want it to be a toggle button. I want it to be a radio button. It's just a type of button here. I want it to only be able to select one source at a time. So I need radio. I need the same groups as the other ones are. These are all radio group 1, control group 1. I'm going to go to commands. I'm going to scroll down. And you can choose this whole list here are direct commands for the MV switcher. Down here is where you can choose to send macros that go up to the tech monitor. This is normally how we would set something up. So I know in the tech monitor project I'm working with that macro 22 will change the switcher to input 4. Actually, input 5. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to double click that, hit OK, hit OK, and it's green. Let's make it the same color as the other ones. Source buttons. Okay. Let's hit save. And then let's send it back to the touchpad. Usually you want to leave one just how it was, the standard classroom, no Blu-ray. Let's just save this as standard classroom, no Blu-ray, Apple TV, because everyone loves really long file names. All right. Let's go back. So open up no Blu-ray again. I'm going to delete that because I should have saved it that way. Anything else? Oh, that should about cover basic usage of it. If you have a classroom and you just need to get rid of a button or something, simple, just clear it, reload it. If you have a whole bunch of classrooms that you're going to want to load the same way, make your simple changes and save it as a new type and just keep them along with you to be able to load as you go. Hope this was helpful.